Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you that how can you find your saved pictures on Pinterest. So let's start up the process. Open your Pinterest app. Now in home page you can see pictures. If you want to save any picture from here, suppose we want to save this picture, tap on save button at the below of the screen. Now this picture is saved. If you want to find your saved pictures, tap on profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Now here there are two options, pin and posts. There are your saved pictures. So you can find your easily saved pictures here. If you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials.